Creating success and wealth. Who wouldn't want these two things in life? Let's begin by asking simple questions. Have you come across people who were poor performers in school and when you meet them a decade later, they are the most successful, working in top roles of a company? How many times have you prepared very well for a test and you could not retain anything during the test? At the same time, you must have come across your peers or friends that don't seem to study at all but perform very well in the exams. What is that one ingredient which makes some people tick and not others? Before going there, also ask this question to yourself. Do you prefer to hire an efficient driver or a maid, or you just work with anyone if the cost is low? Think of the mobile apps you use. Don't you delete inefficient ones? Likewise, employers look for efficient people. They don't mind paying them a higher salary. In one line, efficient work means higher levels of creative, cognitive thinking, doing the right things at the right time, in the right way, and in optimal time. And now, the question is, how can one develop this skill? In this video, we will show you some ways. The first and foremost step is to inculcate the habit of exposing yourself to real-world knowledge. In other words, try to explore areas outside of your school or college subjects. This will help you develop an all-encompassing knowledge of the powerful world out there. Don't give excuses that you have board exams or you don't have time. Spend 20 minutes per day and it will still treat you well. The second step is to develop the habit of reading regularly. Read diverse topics and diverse authors on real-world topics. You can pick up any non-fiction topic from a newspaper, magazine, or a book that connects your brain with the real world. Developing a reading habit is the key to success. All successful leaders, CEOs of companies, read every single day, and Warren Buffett reads for 5 to 6 hours a day even today. He reads 50 books per year. Studies have proven that if you read for at least 20 minutes a day, you will perform 62% better than your peers. For this very reason, kids in the Western countries, like the US, are given reading for 20 minutes a day as their daily homework and nothing else. So, start reading from today and right now. Thirdly, you should start asking questions and engaging in conversations with your friends on current real-world problems, whether it is a burning issue like the Article 370 or solving a technical problem at work or dealing with your boss. The discussion should be asking critical thinking questions like, is this the right national policy change? Is it relevant now? Is the government protocol right for this issue? Or how else can this problem be solved more efficiently? This will start stimulating your nervous system and wire your thinking into solving problems. In other words, it will boost your creative cognitive thinking skills. Lastly, don't forget to connect the knowledge that you gain with other disciplines or subjects. For example, you read about a startup or entrepreneurial mindset, then connect that knowledge with economics. For example, market trends, or sociology, moral ethic or cultures, marketing, international markets, online and offline marketing. This will create a multidisciplinary thought process and truly prepares you to conquer the real world challenges at work. Before we wrap up, some facts that will help you create a perspective. There is more than an 82% gap between employment and education in India now. The most desirable skills of an employer are cognitive communication and holistic thinking. One 2009 study by Sussex University researchers showed that reading may reduce stress by as much as 68%. If you are thinking it is a lot of actionable steps and you're not sure on how to start and where to start, hop on to Skillioma. Skillioma is a unique personalized platform that caters to all interest and grade levels and has comprehensive plans.